Kedam tangjang mini pai kresiar ni Guwahati rong sopi Rukmini Nagar Auditorium Holalong kapadopon Mr. and Miss Assam Beauty Pageant kachepate Karbi Anglong District penta junior categories lapen senior categories along chepate dunlo. Bangso ho junior categories along pen Miss Nirjalin Bepi Group A Miss Kit Assam Junior Surihini ra inkorahini anong e chepalong dun. Group B along abang Sumbi tok BP Miss Kit Assam Surihini ra inkorahini kichengsi anong e chepalong pon. Lapen anparta popularity surihini ra inkorahini along Santi Bepi Miss Kit Assam anong e chepalong dunlo.
Kadang carving long life kelang tum don pinin tu carving long life team pen ladak Guwahati rong supi mate carving hem tun long se dolo ladang so carving hem tun long jasamet dak nomati constituency pen local MC mate deputy speaker Ritesh Enghi alali kaping khat pon ting si ladak pini hem tun long isi karcho amai so ison padopono labang so karcho pon mangela jasamet non hejong Miss Assam along junior section along Karbi Anglong pen nong nam kevan mate nomati constituency phan nong nam kevan abangphi phan si sar Ritesh Enghi pen si deputy speaker pen si karcho pini ajai mekdeng pono se labang so putha tum sar Ritesh phan lam thi sia jupon
aprang si pini that Miss Assam junior so kachepate along that nili homosti nomati pen nangedun thekot apia po penalang tum kadu ke bor event dak nagali dun thekot apia po dum si choro ko pang la penda la non in sumar kadu non dak kachepate pen nong e chepalong dun thekot alang li tum banta ilia nam akhir jume chang pisi alang tum am so se keng kam pache jor dun je phan la pen nilihin pen alang li tum phan monon pi jong si pene ke support nang ji puro ke support tum ji phan nili alang li tum phan am chat kilo si nili sida me ko pai ke me pen da Guwahati pene kam pen ke bang mat da ni da hem tun do ko ma se alang li tum phan da kichitong long pen ni ngarong lo si kewan diar ni se tamen se alang li tum pen pene ke cara pechito alama kam dong si dolo lo te alang li tum phan ni na ta ko an ma bori ponji kusi kado we ni tum Karbi Anglong life athing do isi ni kado we Karbi Anglong rat te do matiara ta phan ni khan ta chini
Nong e kachepalong don dangge thomatuma phan setami nong nam kache thangklong bornali kram sapia hin pensi CKP ponlo dangge thom nong ekelong dona tuma phan Karbi Anglong apen jesemet nomati constituency aphan nong mekewan ti thek aputhak pini Guwahati Karbi hemtona long an Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman Ritesh Enghi paledunsi karcho asai dehpon
Miss Tourism penceng lok penangan Miss Photogenic penceng lok penangan anong i dak dulu labang so Miss Assam labang so junior section long sitame ladak keceng sianong i takelong abang kita do lapen runner sub sitame do la sedi tumhan khe phan nong nam kewan nomati constituency phan nong nam kewan lapen Karbi Anglong phan nong nam kewan masih alang itu pele lam thi sia jena what is your name baby?
My name is Nirjalin Bepi.
Which class do you read?
I am in class 9 Sahib.
And what you got this runners up? What is the competition name? You don't know. Miss Assam long ma kelong no. Oh, kusolo nang ning arong ma arong de.
Ayong.
Nang ning arong ping la. Oh, ma ko pilon de lage ha. Oh, good. And what is your name?
My name is Sumbita Bhupi.
And how do you feel now? You are feeling happy? Did you expect you will get this first prize?
Yes.
Oh wow! And what is your school name?
St. Thomas English High School.
Let me know your father name and mother name.
My father name is Prabhu Tokbi.
And your
My
mother?
mother name is Lulita Teronpi.
What do you want to say to your parents?
Thank you.
Okay, now let me go with her. What is your name?
My name is Shanti Bepi.
From which constituency you are? From which town you are belong to?
I belong from Dokmoka.
What is your father name and mother name?
My father name is Rajan Bey and my mother name is Mahili Tokbi.
And which class do you read?
I read in class 7.
And what is your school name?
The name of my school is Christuti English High School.
And how do you feel now after getting this award?
I feel so happy.
And what do you want to say to the younger generation and especially to your parents, those who are supporting you and blessing you all the time? What do you want to say to them? Do you want to say any message? Do you want to leave them a message? Walker, and then what do you want to say to your